It's all gone quieter last time. There we go. Last one with Boots. Who's this one? Oh, they've even done a draw. It's for Steve. Nice. You've had a really nice day today on your birthday. Yeah, look, he does these little steam train things. How old's your brother? 53. Lovely, isn't it? Bless him. Thank you, Steve. He's busy chatting now, that's alright. Another one quickly. Let's see. Oh, happy birthday. It's from Party Animal. There we go.
No, close. I nearly got. It looks like
That's a good one, isn't it? Probably got this on video. Alright. So this is from somebody called Pamela. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you very much, Matt.
Well, we know you're the life of solar party, Chris.
I'm just thinking about
what kind of animal is that, by the way?
I'm going to these things again. I just thought I'd
Oh, is it a llama? I can't see from here. A giraffe.
It looks like an alpaca also.
Yeah, it does.
I'm just getting used to this whole time conscious thing. Bro. Oh, who could that be from then?
Could be from any of us, mate.
Well, that's true. Obviously, Price.
Might even be
So
from me.
it says, bro, fart Barry, for God's sake, fart. Okay, okay. Who could this be?
Because it's fine.
Yo, bro.
The rhino is flying up in the air because it's full of air.
You understand? It's full of air, so it's
I'm
floating
just
up.
very glad I'm not having to show you my cards.
Brilliant. Right, that's that one.
But it's nice to read the message inside the card.
Yeah, well,
Yes, it's not traditional. I thought it was traditional.
well, I've just been time conscious, yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah, so it says, you won't be let down. Love you loads, bro. Do a catch up night and stuff. Yeah, that's so lovely. Well, yeah. So this is from Pamela. So have a really great birthday blessings to you.
And throughout this coming year. Not just today, but for the rest of the year. Thank you.
It's great, isn't it? They're all fantastic. I'm loving these. This was Steve's one, yeah. I did read that one. With a little choo-choo. Right. Swiftly moving on. Look at all these. I've had so many birthday cards since I was a kid. Well, probably since my 50th. Yeah, because that was, yeah. So what we got here? It says vintage, retro, old school.
That could be from a boy, I think.
Yeah.
I could see that, a boy sending that.
You've got to put your wig on for that one.
So it says, dear Chris, keep up the good work. Happy birthday to a classic.
No, it's not. I was wrong.
Well, Irina's been very generous.
So coming back to your question, so far 3 girls and 1 guy.
Yeah, I rest my case.
No, because I've done one.
No, so it's going to be quite even soon, I think.
This is the final
A very blue envelope, blue card. It looks like it's handmade.
That's got to be from a girl.
Yeah.
A boy's not on a handmade card.
It's going to be a girl. I'm looking around thinking.
Yes.
I bet that's nice.
Which, yeah. Right.
Must be.
Okay, let's find out, shall we? Let's find out.
Yeah, Marta, that's
read
from.
it out to Chris. You're having a giraffe from Kesh.
Okay.
It's gone now, but just yeah. How about that? Handmade. So Kesh is the creative, one of the creative sisters. That we didn't know till now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, one more to go.
Is there a card
Come on, get on with it.
That's an envelope.
Last card. 55. See what we got.
Could this be yours, Daniel? Could this be yours?
Yeah, it says, you want a piece of me.
So who's this from?
Yeah,
Male or female?
Which context?
What do we think? Male, female?
Male.
I think it's male.
We think
Male.
it's male.
Yeah, I think
It is
male.
more male, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, you want a piece of me?
Right, we ready? Let's find out. Which male is in this card? Chris, you are ledge. Happy birthday. Have the best day. But don't be creepy.
We all know that joke.
Dan.
Dan!
Yeah.
Dan, look at that. Brilliant. Nice one, Danny boy.
Yeah. Put that on
So is that
for.
fairly even
Put that on for her,
Two,
Renee.
okay, like,
That's 4.
You need to put that on for Renee.
that's two more than I thought it would be, to be fair.
Yeah, it can't be completely female.
Blue and blue is my
No,
favourite
not pretty
colour.
I think it's still
And of course it's got the blue in it.
Yeah, it's a good thing. Brady wants to give cards. It's just
Normally I would do like one or the other if you like give a gift.
Yes, yeah, I had 2 crosses there. I had a choice with blue and
it's a nice
silver.
thought.
Depends how well you. How well you
Brilliant.
I remember it was a friend's birthday years ago.